Well, it's time for an update on the renovation house, and that's where I'm at today. And mighty dirty. Got our inspection to cover today. So I'll give you a little tour here of the updates, and we're getting ready for drywall. Coming up. I'm Roger, not in the shop, but at the renovation house, and it's been a busy week. And last weekend we got a whole bunch of stuff cleaned up, got a little bit of a turn up for some nicer weather, and got rid of all those huge piles of stuff from the outside. I'll give you a little tour here shortly. We still have some snow on the ground, and it's still not like t-shirt weather out there, but it's a whole lot better than being zero. And we did get rid of those big piles of trash. Also got our inspection to cover today for the kitchen, the laundry room, and the bathroom. And I'll give you a little tour here on the progress we've made getting insulation in, and even got the new back door on. So I'll grab the camera here and we'll go on a little walk. Well, we'll start out here in the kitchen. This has been a major thing here, just one thing after another. We've got some temporary light bulbs hanging out of the can lights, got the insulation up. This is R30. And this is after getting all the joists fixed and everything, and braces in, as you saw in our last video. Another little thing here is we have a new back door. So got this new door hung, and you can kind of see at the top up here the little slope that the roof does. Nothing I can do about that, but the door is square and it does work well, and it functions well, and we did put a keypad lock on it. Well, I'll go outside and show you a little bit of the cleanup. So here's a big change right here. Still got some scrap metal right here for the, well, I may take this, and that's all aluminum. That's worth a few bucks. We got rid of all of this piles of scrap that were along the side of the house here. Still got a satellite dish to get rid of. I'm sure a scrapper will take care of that. And got a door to paint there. And got a little bit of trash on the back porch here from changing that door out yesterday. But the huge pile that was back here behind the house is now gone. So we got some old tile and plaster and stuff to clean up once the ground gets a little bit better to deal with. Of course, there's the old door frame. I got to get rid of that. But as you can see, got a new door on there. Functions well. Airtight, not anything like the last one. And I got a new vent stack out there too. Had to add a sewer vent because we did move the drain for the kitchen. And one of the building codes here, if you move something, you're not grandfathered, and then you'll have to do it the right way. And it needed to be vented anyway. It was pretty far from where the vent stack is. Okay, moving down here in the basement, echo, echo, echo. We got a lot of that down here. We're getting the new water service run. We've got a little faucet there just so we have some water in the house here, because I have everything else shut off. Got rid of all the old galvanized. Everything else is now going to be in copper. And it was quite the adventure getting this run. This is a long way from where the water meter is to where we actually use the water. So there's one room. I'll go into the next room. Like I say, it's 50 feet of copper before you actually get to a fitting. And I got my cart over here and torch, and was working on this today. Working on getting that water heater in there. So we got it set up on the pad. Got the vent in, got some of the piping done to it. Still have some more. Of course, there goes that sump pump. That runs constantly with the water coming. Snow melting right now. Still got the gas to run. Yeah, this sump pump down here, and I still need to make a better thing than what somebody had done here with this plastic hose under the pipe. It's just kind of hanging there. But if you can hear that, the water just runs constantly right now. snow melting. And as another plus, after last weekend, that big pile of trash that was sitting down here in the basement from tearing out the old steps, that's out of here now. So got an empty bucket and an empty trash can that I can fill up again. And what you see here on this counter is all the old galvanized pipe I tore out of here from the old plumbing. Okay, and an update on the electric side of things. All but one circuit is now over into the new panel. Of course, I haven't got the new service run up outside, so we're still temporary off of the old one. I have one circuit to do yet, and that's the one that's hanging out there. That goes up into the attic, and that will power the attic lights and the smoke detectors. That's the last one. I need to pull a new wire up there too and get moved over to the other panel. Of course, and then I have the outside work to do, but now that the weather's getting nice, I should be coming up here shortly. And if you happen to see my little review on the Bora Portamate work stand, there it is. It works real well, just exactly as I intended it to do for the stuff I'm doing here at the house. Weren't able to get as much done this last week as I wanted to, but it's coming along. Just got a long way to go yet. So as you can see, we still got a long way to go, and I am mighty dirty. I've been working on plumbing in the basement, and it's a dirty job down there, getting the old stuff tore out and trying to get some of that new stuff put in. But hopefully this weekend we'll get some drywall stocked in here, and we'll be able to start hanging it sometime next week. If you get anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers. So next is that subscribe button's a little bell. You click that bell, you'll be notified when we post another video. Otherwise, I'm Roger, not in the shop, but at the renovation house. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.